Welcome to the calibration training video, where you'll learn how to effectively manage your equipment's calibration records for optimal performance. Navigate to the calibration table from the sidebar menu. To add a calibration, start by selecting the Add Calibration option from the top left of the page. The calibration form will open. Begin by entering a name for the calibration in the designated field. Select the date of calibration, then input the row or boom width value and the delivery rate, indicating the amount per hectare. Under Primary Equipment, select the equipment from the drop-down menu. Enter the gear used during calibration and record the revs in RPM, as well as the speed in kilometers per hour. If you need to include additional equipment, you can do so by clicking on Add Secondary Equipment and completing the fields. Click on the green Add button to save the calibration. The new calibration record will display on the calibration dashboard. To manage calibration records, access the three-dot menu. You can easily copy calibrations to apply the same settings across different farms, ensuring consistency and efficiency in your operations. To edit a calibration, select the record you wish to modify and update the relevant fields. Remember to click Save after making changes. If you need to delete a calibration, select the desired record and click the Delete option. A confirmation prompt will appear, allowing you to cancel or proceed with the deletion. You are ready to manage calibrations in InField, enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of your farming operations. For further assistance, please consult our Help Center articles.